So,
I'm Chef Lloyd.
okay.
Sa Chef Lloyd.
So before we discuss the sequence and other stuff about the segment, so si Chef, when we hit in terms of the kitchen, in terms of the presentation,
I'll run this. So, kunyari ay contestant. So, ito. So, this is how we set this up. So, you have already a 6 ingredient, basic ingredient that you can use. So, you have the chopping board. This board, yung nilalagay yung secret ingredient. So, the secret ingredient is here. So, I don't know if you have the story for it, but it will come along. Underneath, you have the tissues, garbage bin, gloves, and this is your mixing bowl. Put this, and these are all tasting spoon. You notice merong empty. So, yung empty, na you're not satisfied with the basic ingredient, this chili has all of the ingredients that we normally, from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, na ginagamit sa atin. Up to you to choose which one. But just in case, you'll have another option. May ice cream din dito, normal crush ice. Yeah. Milk selections, or just in case you're satisfied dito, you want it from scratch. Ito yung cooking section. Inductions, you have to know. Maraming solution ba? Alam naman natin ang halo-halo, walang ready-made sauce. Yes. Titignan mo. So, first, naglalagay din ako, just in case mo. All that no, pag natapos mo yung lahat ng ingredient mo, lalagay din na ito, na-mix na, tikman mo. Magpa-plato na kayo, so, decide. First selection. Kung may dala kayo sa delay, okay lang. You can choose. This is the base special. Ayaw yun ng crush ice na lahat. Mas fine ice. Gusto mo may halong milk, may halong wine. This is very simple. Tinakpan ko ito nila kasi yung nunat test nila. This is the third word. So pag hindi mo siya automatic, compressor nila. Once mag-ice, pag pinili mo, automatic ba kumali? So yan yung mag-create ng ice. Gusto ko naka-infuse yung milk. Okay? Pwede ako magsabi na. Sarin ako ng milk dyan, magpupondo nito. Hanggat na dyan yung pondo ng milk, infuse ng milk. Huwag na po yung yes, matik. Automatic also water. Depende sa milk na ilalagay mo. So basically, it's all water ice. Depende sa milk na ilalagay mo. Pwede rin hindi milk, pwede syrup. Pero yun yung infuse. So, yan siya. Pansinin nyo, pag ito naka-on, continuous, pag gusto mo ng flakes, ito. So, ibig sabihin, pansinin dito, delay. That's the flakes. Mas paano siya. Pag tinanggal ko yan, continuous lang siya. So, kung sino man yung gagamit mo, once you start, i-on nyo na. Kasi hindi namin siya pwede i-on. Nag-ongoing yung to kasi maingay siya. So, gagamitin nyo siya, pagkaangat na pag-angat, pag-start ng time, pinitin nyo agad. Yan ang turn.
Chef Bea, since ikaw yung nag-teacher, ikaw na lang.
You can turn it. So, again, turn on, matic, gagana yung compressor. Itong two option na to, one is to make the water go down. And this one, option lang yan kung gusto mo yung weird. Carry na ha. Okay, so I'll turn it on. Ganun lang siya. Kaya lang tinakpan ko pa kasi napakamapindot. It will stop. Okay, there. So once you're done, kunyari ito yung napili ko. Wait na. Nag-mix na ako, natikman ko na lahat, ready to go na. Okay? So, binuo ko na siya dito. Once final, itong board na to, papel nito. When you present your halo-halo, put it here, put your secret ingredient. This is the one you're gonna present. But, like they say, when Gordon Ramsay asks you, what's special about your halo-halo, you need to be on point. Bang, 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 bang. Wala na masyadong story. Okay? So, this is special because bang, 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 bang.
Sorry to jump in. I'm Ronnie. I work with Gordon. Your expectation, his expectation is, you know, So tell me, what's special about this halo halo? And you give them something fast within about 15 seconds. Okay. Because all the time, and Gordon's never going to stand here either. Okay, so Jude, so if you're there, Gordon will be here. So what's special about this halo halo? It's never going to, you'll never stand this side. You'll walk past, but he'll always come to your side. He'll be right next to you, right, you know. And he's a big guy. I mean, nobody knows, but I need you guys to know that as well. He's the same size as me. Okay. So physically, he's a big man, and he'll be in his chef jacket, but he'll come right up. He'll come right up to you. He'll interact with you. He'll want to, you know, what's this? What's going on there? And he'll distract you. Okay. Intentionally. Okay. Because you've got 1,700 people, and they want entertainment. Okay. So there's no, just treat it as if your big brother or someone's asking you questions when you're cooking at home. That's the best way to describe it. Okay. If you want to start joking, have a joke. You know, or when he asks, so what's special about your halo halo? That's your soundbite, and that's for things like press, for all of these sort of things. It's Julian Santos. Halo halo was bang, bang, bang. That's what it is, okay? Because my halo halo has no ube inside, and it's got coconut, and my special ingredient is boom. Under 15 seconds. Okay? But he'll go up and down at all times. And Issa, the other host, will not really be engaging with you when he's talking. Otherwise, for you, it becomes too difficult. It's a big space, the echo, and the audience becomes too challenging as well. Alright? So, the whole thing is supposed to be fun. You'll keep talking about the jeopardy because the clock is going to be counted. 10, 9, 8, etc. 10 minutes, you'll walk around. Yeah? And if you see something and it's weird, he'll come over and be like, what's that? You know, that's stuff. If you guys are yeah? You know what I mean? None of you are that personality. That's why you've been chosen. Okay? So be who you are. I appreciate you're a funny guy. But you know, it's just be who you are. Okay? And he's gonna come over and give you the big hello, etc. But for that 10 minutes, attack it, because all of them are watching. And it's Netflix and whatever it might be. Alright? So it's a good opportunity. Alright?
At the end of the day, kasi ang kalaban niyo rito na at the end of the day, you know this dish more than me.
Yeah.
This is hard. So
Teach it.
present it. Correct. Kaya siya, ganyan ang presentation. Para pag lumabas, all over the world, may ratio stereotype. Good? Klaro? Clear?
Exciting.
Okay, guys. Okay.